Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about Counterbore operation and our topics are point geometry, tool selection, holder selection, cut parameter and linking parameter. So friends, first of all we need object. So I have object, I will directly open. Okay, this is my object, so I will apply Counterbore on this plate. So first of all set the machine, mill, default and set your stock. So I will click on stock setup, solid object and select this object. Okay, now click on drill, select this geometry. Okay, now point geometry is 1, selection of tool, so just right click, create tool, and now here your Counterbore operation. So I will just click next and you will see this value is 25. I will give 15 and here your shoulder length, your shank diameter, I will change this with 8. Okay, this is my tool. Just click on next, finish, and here click on holder, select your holder. In cut parameter you will see the option drill Counterbore. I will set the dwell value 2 and linking parameter, so top of the stock is 0 and I will set the depth is -3. Okay, and now view wireframe, change the view. You will see here check in backlot operation, change the speed and OK. So you will see and just close it, shaded and isometric. Now check in verify selected operation. So I will just click on play and you will see. I will just close it and now apply the drill. So here click on drill, same geometry. Okay, now tool selection. So here create tool and select drill. Next select your standard dimension, (10). You will see here the minimum object is here. Next finish. Okay, so now my tool is drill tool. Holder selection. In cut parameter give your pack drill and here I will give value 1. Linking parameter, so the depth value is -13. Okay, now select both operation, verify, play. You will see if you will change the bore option, so close in Counterbore, in tool just right click and edit your tool. Like I will give 12 dia this one, next, finish, OK, just regenerate, both operations are select, verify and just play. So you will see the dimension is changed. Here just close it again. I will set our tool diameter is 15. Next, finish, but change the linking parameter and give the depth value -2. OK. Regenerate, both are selected and verify. Just play. See. So at here in Counterbore, select the another geometry. Here you will must select the center point. You will see here the value. OK. OK, and just regenerate. Next, for drill, point geometry with center. OK. OK, and regenerate your operation. Both operations are selected. And now check in verify. Play, just see. So we will check in verify and clipping plane. Just change the view. You will see the section. So in isometric you will see. In verify I will off the plane. This is my Counterbore. I will just close this operation. View, isometric and fit. So in next lecture we will discuss about circle mill operation. Thank you friends.